Here we go. Group name, group number 35. Myself, Sidda Nithish. We have a group presentation, PowerPoint presentation of the global business environmental and evaluation of dynamics. And we have a table of that PowerPoint presentation. It shows introduction, the company and its main business and market where it operates, how companies engages in the internationalization of its business, and how it deal with the internationalization markets we shown in the table content and also in the PowerPoint presentation, and also how the internationalization beneficially of the business growth, and also the past and present challenges which is faced by the BYD company, and also the what are the some risk mitigations and strategic the company adopted the phases of these challenges, everything mentioned in this table content. Now we are going to the introduction of the BYD topic, and these slides set the stage of our presentations by introducing the topic of our case study, BYD. We will explore how globalization of influenced BYD's internationally success, and also the strategic risks, and also sustainability leadership of BYD, and it offers a real world lens through which we can understand the key global business concepts of the modules from these modules. And we are moving to the next slide. It is company overview. These slides introduce the BYD, a Chinese EMNE known for its rapid expansion in EV and also the energy sectors of BYD 2024. It highlights the BYD global operations and also the core business area, and also its commitments to innovations and also the sustainability. These slides is set for the foundation for the understanding how BYD engages with and the benefits from the globalization. And now we are moving to the next slide, BYD business model. This slide shows that we are explaining how BYD unique and vertically integrated model and enables it to stay agile and competitive. This business module is a key to their success and globally proving operational reliance, and also the enabling them to adapt their strategies across different regions while maintaining the control over the quality and also the cost. And next we move to the next slide, that is internationalization of strategy. In these slides, we can see the outline of BYD approaching to global expansion through exports and direct investments, and also the partnership with different sectors and companies. It internationalization strategy is supported by the China border trade policy, and also and focuses on the tailoring products to the local needs and regulations while expanding the production and also the scale footprint internationally. From here, my one of my group mate will take over the slides. Stephen will take over the slides of market presence.
Firstly, I am going to represent about market presence. The BYD is highly upskill about the geographical reach of BYD and its ability to adapt to regional demands. Moreover, the company's success is overtaking Tesla in the EV sales, which globally reflects its effective globalization strategy and operational flexibility in both development, developing and emerging markets. And we are going to the next slide, which is benefits of globalization. In this slide, as we discussed previously, how globalization has facilitated BYD's growth across continents, which helps to reduce overlaying on Chinese market by entering into multiple regions, which improves financial stability and increases brand recognition and attracts global clients, which also strengthening BYD's global presence and long-term sustainability. The line graph shown, which demonstrate the uh, growth of BYD in the past year. Uh, Now we are going to the next slide, which is the benefits. Benefits. In this slide, we will explain about how international operations allows BYD to tap into global innovation ecosystem and talent pool. By collaboration and access to skilled labor in different markets enhances the company's R&D, and also which improves the product quality and innovation capacity. Next, we are moving to the another slide, which is uh, environmental leadership. In this slide, we are discussing about BYD's role in promoting zero emission transport and contributing to global environmental goals. Uh, it's a alignment with the SDGs and participation in COP forms, which emphasize its international credibility. And moreover, uh, these inactive strength and BYD's brand as a sustainability and focused company, and which will boost the acceptance in eco uh, eco consisting market in worldwide. Uh, the following slide will be uh, taken by my friend.
Hi, myself Mahesh. Now we discuss remaining slides, sustainability leaderships. This slide shows how BYD leads in sustainability by eliminating acid production and switching to renewable manufacturing in 2022. It's investing in recycling and compliance and with environmental law, strength, and a global competitive and brand's reputation. BYD approaches the reflect a genuine long-term commitment to sustainability of future. We discussed another slide, the past challenges. These slides address how BYD struggled with brand recognition in the early stages of its globalization journey in 2021. This requires strategic and marketing and partnerships and proof of performing through public sectors and sales and to overcome precipitations and building customer trust. We move to another slide. Present present challenges, regulator barriers. Here we discuss. These slides explores current regulations, challenges BYD faces in globally, especially in the EU in 2025. These restrictions affected pricing, access, and operations, We highly how adaptive to these rules in essential for maintaining momentum in global expansion. And we move to the other slide. This slide is challenging the supply chains volatility. Here we address BYD's exposed to global supply chains issues in 2024. Even within house production, disruptions to raw materials have affected operating their magnetons and strategies and crucial to maintain output and coastal controls and technical innovation to reduce material independence. Here, now we change this another slide. It's risk mitigations and localizations. This slide shows how BYD's localization strategies helps mitigations and trades and political risks in 2024. Establishing a local production supports smoother operations, building relationships with local stakeholders, and hence adaptively to recognition marketing dimensions. In marketing dimensions, while considering against geopolitical uncertainties and trade barriers, the automatic safety of BYD electronic vehicles compares and safely features the data productions and solid manufacturing processes. Vehicle sustainability control line departures warning and 360-degree cameras and included data privacy is parametered in ensure battery technology safety and potential recalls and educations the customers are assistant driving technologies and also from part of migration effects. And the remaining slides, my friend, is contributed.
And from here, I'm going to take the remaining slides. Risk mitigation and technology investment. This slide highlights BYD's innovation-driven risk mitigation strategies. LUO and LIU 2024. Technological investment strengthens BYD's product offerings, compliance, and independence, ensuring long-term sustainability in global markets. And we are moving to the next slide. It's called a strategic outlook, future growth. In this slide, BYD remains even more attractive than before, and largely because of its vertically integrated supply chain, aggressive global factory rollout, and technology IED innovation pipeline controlling battery, motor, semiconductor, and software production internally, also by Blade Battery and FinDreams. Capabilities has allowed BYD to scale cost effectively and maintain operational resilience. Hence, with its new assembly plants in Brazil, Thailand, Indonesia, Hungary, Turkey, and many others, and ambitious targets, for example, like 6 million or something vehicle delivers by 2026. That's their approximate rate of delivery expected. And there are 7% share of the global light vehicle market also expected by them, and it's set by JP Morgan. BYD is set to compete against incumbents in emerging and developed markets. Technological differentiation is provided by their God's Eye ADAS suite and the unique fast charging system that takes only 5 minutes to charge 400 kilometers. So while they are introducing a new battery or new technology for these vehicles, and they get a long range for 400 kilometers and in 5 minutes of charging needed. And the next focus is on expanding market reach and adapting emerging technologies and tailoring offerings to new consumer segments across developed and developing regions. And that's all about this slide, strategic outlook. And moving on to the next one. And now we are gonna conclude the slides. So by summarizing BYD's journey and key insights, their globalization journey shows how EMNEs can grow through adaptability, sustainability, and innovation. BYD exemplifies how EMNEs can drive sustainable innovation on a global scale while adapting to the complexities of diverse international markets. So let me conclude here. And now we're going to talk about the references that we have made. These are the references which we have taken from different websites of BYD. It shows the names and topics which we have presented here in our PowerPoint presentation. The topic BYD was done and completed by all our group members together. So that's all about it. Thank you.
Well, these all presentations and topics were done by our group members. Group number 35, Sidda Nithish, Sebastian Stephen, and Satyarla Mahesh, and Satishan Nair Abhiram. We four are the group members. With the help of our four members, we gather the information from the websites of BYD, and we have done this presentation. And thank you. Thank you so much.